I'm Jordan, Vice President, and I give Microsoft Excel 5 out of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. We had a fairly manual system to be able to crunch all of our data, as well as we did utilize Google Docs, but that didn't have the features and functionality that we needed, specifically with formulas and some of the other advanced features that you see in Excel. Excel is extremely widely used. There's a ton of training on it, as well as free resources online for you to be able to get up-to-date information. But it also has tremendous support, so you're able to get quite a few advanced features every year or every other year whenever they release new revisions. Getting started with Excel is fairly simple. It is a very, very robust system, so if you want to get into the advanced tech side of it, you're going to watch some YouTube tutorials or maybe take a class, but it's fairly easy to install and start working immediately. I'd say get into the system, play around with it, and look up as much information as you can about how to use some of the advanced data crunching and tutorials with the new features with XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. Just learn how to manipulate Excel. You'll be better for it, and it'll save you a ton of time.